ubani lona uraza dona emfundini we-attitude tshela dona ne-rap mncane sikwi-competition mfana umncansi posivision awukaze ubona imenshini ngizokufika ngi-posivision mina ngokwe-rap muras ugegela intombi ezinko awuthini kwedini ebathi wena ku-competition thina sihamba nge-line wena mawuthi uyarhyme mina ngikhila ama-beat I'm rhyming this beat, I'm killing this beat ngifike ngakwati wangenza ngajuluka ngifila i-fire the fire inside me angeke uhandle there is a master in me kune-master ngabili ifuna ngilokhu ngikhuluma thini kwedini sumqhela kakubi wena i-rap awuyazi futhi uweke ntwana udep awubethe idep emfundini ngoba nge-rap uweke ngqono yokhuluma stand ukhumisa igane mina nge-rap ngiyaphila ebathi competition ngambamba ngamphethe kishin competition the king had a conversation sixoxe ngo-attitude sifike nge-law nge-truth we are killing we are rapping to kill, we're killing this beat, we're rhyming this beat and kill my beats ngeke ulunge mfundini mina kumina awuthela mani maybe insili yakudaka gcine so rhyme
I'm the king in the rap mfana urap rubbish mfana ngakuphi rhythm I'm a nice guy vele mina ngi-lyrical stopless ngi-fearless ngi-kindness vele ngihamba nge-formation mfana sokufaka ekhishini mfana sikhukhe kancane mfana ngoba ngathi suyahapha mfana vele sifundisi kasi-rap mfana wami uthi ungadisi king mfana wena umafika izolo mfana ngisho nobhami angadisa mfana ungadisa mfana umncane ufunde crash mfana wena uweka wazini edisi mfana usafundelwa ama-bedtime story mfana ngibulala ama-beat ceda ngiguqe ngedolo ngithandaze ngixolise kumdali mfana ngishaya ama-verse shaya ivesi elinzima mfana yakuthuke nomfundisi athi lama-verse ngiwavusa va ngoba mfana lama-verse awekho
Alright, ngikutshele indaba lencane boy ufunda ukuyiphatha phakathi kwabantu ngoba uzohlaza boy ngitshele indaba encane i-rap ilula ufunda uyiphatha